One of the best movies of the year is opening this week, and it's called Milk. It stars Sean Penn and yet another amazing performances he's accustomed his audience to expect throughout his career. He plays Harvey Milk, the first openly gay politician to be elected into office in the United States. And in addition to being a really stirring gay rights film, the movie is just an engaging political thriller, watching this nobody who's a little shop owner in San Francisco rise up from little more than nothing to becoming a player on the national scene. And as fine as Penn is, it's not that you think, wow, this is a great performance by Penn. You think, what a great man Harvey Milk was. Just a really brave guy to face down everything he did and just become a trailblazer. And it's especially poignant in light of the recent elections in which the gay marriage issue was denied in several states. So I'd recommend Milk not only as a movie to see if you want to see all the Oscar contenders, but also if you're just into political thrillers. It's a really fantastic movie and just a great, gripping storyline. So thank you for watching, and if you want to see more, check out aznightbuzz.com.